Okay, it has been a hot minute since I recorded a new releases video. I'm pretty sure this is the first week we are releasing new kits in August, so super exciting. Last week we did an oops sale, but today I have 3 new kits for you guys, and these will be going live tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And these kits will be 20% off this weekend only, so if you're eyeing any of these, highly recommend that you grab them while they're on sale. So before I jump into the flip through, make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and if you like seeing our flip through videos, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know which kit is your favorite after the flip through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. So we have 3 brand new collections. They are all fall themed. This one is sort of an end of summer, beginning of fall type of transitional kit. And then we have a more classic fall kit. And then we also have the super cute cozy kit called Sweater Weather. So let's just get into it, starting with this first one. It's called Changing Leaves, and here is the deco sheet. Super cute, lots of floral bouquets. Love the pumpkins and all the leaves. Then we have the 2-page journaling kit, which has replaced our B6 weekly kit. So that is what the journaling kit looks like. Comes with 2 pages, lots of watercolor swatches, florals, you have your washi strips, these really cool ripped paper ephemeras, and then there's also some faux wax seals. Basically anything you would need for a journaling spread, but in sticker form. So then here's the 2nd page. You have your Monday through Sunday as well as a this week sticker, 2 strips of bottom washi, and these fit perfectly in the Hobonichi A5 Cousin. You have more watercolor swatches, more floral bouquets, and then some cute little circles here. So love all the watercolors in this kit. And then moving on to the weekly kit. You guys voted for rose gold foil, which I think matches this kit perfectly. Matches really well with the pinks and the oranges. And I absolutely love the florals in this kit. They're just super, they're still pretty bright, but it's obvious that this is a fall kit, so perfect for end of summer. Absolutely love this little stack of sweaters. Makes me really excited for fall weather. Then we have your 3 sets of headers. Have some lines, florals, as well as some dots. Then we have a few scalloped headers. And then you have your bottom washi, which I wanted to keep pretty simple since the florals are quite bright. So next, we have the boxes page. You get a full sheet of different sized boxes. Some are foiled, some are not. You have your scalloped half boxes down here, and then I love our boxes page because there's a wide variety of different box sizes. So these have like the fancy corners, rounded corners. Same with this one. And then you have some that are also just your classic rectangles. So that is the boxes page. And then lastly, we have the functional page, which comes with your date covers, your watercolor swatches. You have your sidebar stickers, which are foiled beautifully, your layering stickers, couple of flags, and then you have your scalloped circles. So that is Changing Leaves. Absolutely love this collection. Moving on to the next kit, we have Lake House, and here is the matching deco sheet that is available. And then we have the 2-paged journaling kit. I really love this gift tag looking sticker. Really pretty. I feel like my camera is not focusing today and I don't really know why. Might be time for an upgrade, but here is the rest of page 1. I love the little plaid washi strip on this Polaroid, and the Polaroid is cut out, so you could definitely layer something back here and it would be so cute. Again, always love the faux wax seals. I think they're so cute. And then here is the second page. Obsessed with the falling leaves. And then you have your bottom washi, which is a really pretty plaid. Have lots of watercolor boxes to write on. Same with these frames. This frame too right here. And that is the journaling kit for Lake House. So moving on to the weekly kit, we put up a poll and it was pretty close between gold and light gold, but gold did end up winning, and I'm really glad that it did because it turned out so amazing and pretty. So I also asked about the backgrounds and the wood background one as well, which I think really just helps balance out all of the watercolor in this kit. It kind of breaks it up a little bit, but here is what the boxes look like. The quote box says, "The leaves are falling and autumn is calling." And then again, we have the falling leaves. And I absolutely love the scene full boxes down here and just the foil on top of it. So pretty. And this kit is just gorgeous. So here is what the headers look like. And then your bottom washi. Again, wanted to keep it pretty simple. Then we have the boxes page, and I think everything about this page is just perfect. Just perfection. Love all the little leaves, and the colors just go together really well. And then lastly, we have the functional page. So you've got your date covers, watercolor swatches, sidebar stickers, layering stickers. You have some flags, as well as a quarter box here, or no, this is a 1/3 box. And then you have your scalloped circles down here at the bottom. So that is Lake House, and I absolutely love this kit. I have a personal prediction that this kit is going to be our best seller this season. Just a random prediction, but yeah, I just love this collection. And then lastly, we have sweater weather. And sometimes if I say it too fast, it'll sound like sweater weather, but it's not, it's sweater weather. If that makes any sense. Okay, anyway, here is the deco sheet for this kit. Love these boots. So cute. And if you love blue, this kit is for you. So this is what the journaling kit looks like. Really muted, honestly, but I think all the colors work together really nicely. So if you love neutrals, this is definitely a beautiful fall kit for you. Love the little floral stamp. So pretty, so gorgeous, and I love this little arch box right here. Okay, and then moving on to the weekly kit, we have 3 for 3. So we had a gold, a rose gold, and now we have a silver kit. So there's definitely something for everyone, but here is the full boxes of sweater weather up close. Love all the florals, and I think the silver looks amazing with the blue. Also the birds foiled, really stunning. They also have some bears in here and a deer. Funny story, we actually saw a deer with antlers outside of our house last week, I want to say, our dog spotted it and he was barking like crazy, and we're like, what's going on? So we go look and we see a deer running literally for his life into the forest, and yeah, a really cool sighting. We actually have an apple tree, and I have a theory that the deer has been coming to eat the apples off of the tree, because there's only a few apples to begin with, but now there's none. So I think that's where the apples have been going, is into the deer's stomach. So story aside, I really love this kit. I feel like we don't use silver a whole lot during fall, but it definitely works amazingly with this kit. So moving on to the headers, and I almost said little things, and I think that's because our old format used to be like headers and little things, but I meant to say headers and bottom washi. So here is a closer look at the bottom washi, and then the headers, of course. Again, I think the colors work together perfectly. And then we have the boxes page. The silver definitely really pops. And then we have the functional page. So starting from the bottom, we have our scallop circles, some flags, checklists, layering stickers, sidebar stickers, your watercolor swatches, and then your gray date covers. So that is Sweater Weather, and that is all 3 collections. So those are our new kits for this week. Again, they are 20% off, so if you're eyeing them, definitely go grab them while they're on sale. Let me know in the comments which kit is your favorite out of the 3. I want to say Lake House is my personal favorite, and what I predict to be most people's favorites, but I might be wrong, so definitely let me know which one is your favorite, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!